Psalms chapter 126 from verse 1 with NLT. When the Lord brought back his exiles to Jerusalem, it was like a dream.
Hey. So a dream, you must check how dreams come. In most cases, the things you dream, some of them, they don't make sense. That's why dreams are a parable, a hidden language. You can dream something but not understanding the language behind. So it says when God restored us, it was like a dream. It's not a dream but like a dream. Meaning it's an answer which we don't understand. Sivukile mara ngathi siyaphupha. Sivukile mara ngathi that God answering you when you wake up. You don't even believe that. Is this me? Do I have this for real? It's like a dream. Because it's God who answers now. People can answer you, but it's not like a dream. It's ordinary. It's something you know. But when God answers, it's like a dream. You become like a man who's sleeping. And you begin to dream. And when you dream, how? The answers now. The reality now of what God is doing in your life. He has opened a door. No man can shut it. Witches will come. Wizards will come. Fake believers will come. But they can't shut the door. They cannot shut the door. We can sit together in one table. But it's not prepared for you. It's prepared for the eater. Now, when you think about those things, they don't make sense. You will think Jesus never knew about Judas, Peter, Thomas. But they said, come, I'll make you apostles. Come, I'll make you apostles. Do you think Jesus didn't know that Judas would betray him? Peter will deny him. He knew. But in the making process, it depends how you treat the mind of God. If you are destined to perish, maybe God can change his mind because your heart has changed. I said to Judas, look, he had the love of money, Jesus knew. What means the treasure? Maramazo to Chandiman. Uzoto Chesa Gabon. Not to Chesu spiritually blind. So he knew. He knew. He did it intentionally. If the love of money is in you, it's not in Jesus, it's in you. But if you repent, the mind of God can say, you are no longer, let me raise a different Judas and preserve him. But abaningi yabashaya, they enter the door and they never remain. They come out. They come? They come out. Let's read.
When the Lord brought back his exiles.
These are people who were once in slavery, people who were once in defeat. It says when he brings them back, it means they were somewhere before, but they went out. They didn't remain. They went out. Let's go.
When the Lord brought back his exiles to Jerusalem, it was like a dream.
It was like a dream.
Verse 2. We were filled with laughter.
We were filled with laughter. Now God comes to Sarah. You'll be pregnant. Sarah laughs. God says, okay, that laughter will be Isaac. Isaac will be filled with my joy. But this one, I'm answering Abraham. I promised him a son. You can laugh, but Abraham will be filled with such joy. That door will never be shut by anyone. Nanoma Sarah ngathi uzama ukwenzani. It won't change.
ngeke uze kushintshe.
Sarah's unbelief
Ukungakholwa kwaSara
couldn't stop God's answer for Abraham.
azange khona ukuvimba impendulo yaNkulunkulu kuAbraham.
It couldn't stop that miracle.
Azange khona ukuvimba leso simanga.
Nanoma umkakhe bekangakhona. God says I will do it anyway.
uNkulunkulu wathi ngizokwenza.
I will answer you anyway.
Ngizophendula.
And you'll be like a man who's dreaming.
Uzofana nendoda
At
ephuphayo.
my old age ngithola umntwana. Sibadala so. Sarah vele uyohlanza ekseni. Uyoba no-morning sickness wena. Now, this is something that has never entered the mind
Yinto engakase yangena
of Sarah
engqondweni kaSara
and Abraham.
noAbraham.
It was in the mind of God.
Bekusengqondweni kaNkulunkulu.
Something which they never thought of.
Into abangakase
But God
bayicabanga.
opened the
Kodwa
heaven
uNkulunkulu yena wawuvula
and
kaManje.
put a child.
Babe sofaka umntwana.
Because it says their loins were sadiniwe.
Malithi inyonga zawo.
But the child came.
Kodwa umntwana uzile.
So with your own mind,
Ngeyakhe ingqondo.
uzothi mina musi sengikhathele ngiphelile. Ngine-menopause. Imagine i-menopause. I-experiencer. The
Yazana.
answer of God.
Nempendulo kaNkulunkulu.
I'm no longer seeing my periods.
Sangisaboni
But I'm
ngemali
pregnant.
zami, kodwa sengikhulele.
Oh, that's what we mean when we say God opening a door which no man can
uNkulunkulu
shut.
uvula umnyango kungenamuntu ozowuvala.
Doctors can shut.
Abodokotela bangavala.
Menopause can shut. But when God says I'm giving,
Kodwa uNkulunkulu wathi ngiyakunikeza.
everything will bow.
Yonke into izokhathama.
Because God is answering someone. When God answers, the system of the world loses power.
Uzophelelwa amandla.
Because God has spoken.
Ngoba uNkulunkulu
Let
sekakhulumile.
there be.
Makube.
Let there be. Let this happen.
Lokhu
Let this-
akwenzeke.
When ufuna ukubheka mara ngiyanga esikoleni, you're going to argue with God
Yophikisana noNkulunkulu.
and miss
Bese
an
kolahlekelwa
open door.
umnyango ovulekile.
You can be in and come out.
Ungaba phakathi bese uyaphuma.
While izitha zakho zingenile zilindele ukuthi udle, uphume nabo nawe. Some of you niphume nezitha zenu etafuleni. Bathe nabasukuma na usukuma nabo wahamba washiya itafula. It means la baya khona bazofita wena. That's why ugcina udle ematafuleni wrong. Ngoba uhluleke ukudla kule lakho. Ukubona abantu bakuvakashela. Ngakho mhlale nonke etafuleni. Basukume. Na usukume nabo uphume. It's not like that. Abantu bakuvakashela kusuka umbona kucala. Ukumele usukume ecala. Bese uthatha ngenikhapheni. Now, in
Manje.
that manner now,
Ngaleyo ndlela.
it means angisho bazokhuluma, "Hey sesifuna ukuhamba." Babona bayicela indlela. "Hey, sesikuba late sifuna ukuhamba." Ulindi bona basukume. You stand up because the
Sukuma
table
wena.
belongs to you.
Ngoba itafula yilakho.
Asambeni ke. Now, lapho ubafide kamareg. Awuthi basukume qala, nabiya umoya uphethe ikuku lapho uhambe yadla. Now akusana order kakho. Umoya nangu usahlafunya islash. Akusana. Meaning now it is order now is entering your house.
Ungahleleki mase ngene.
Everyone must be on the table.
Wonke umuntu kufanele abe
They must
setafuleni.
take nothing out of the door.
Kufanele bangathathi lutho mabaphume eminyango.
Hey. Akumelanga baphume na nothing. Because yonke into besetafuleni. Okay. Let's leave it. When uyachazeka abantu baphuphura amakuku baphuma kakho. Mina bangithi, "Hey, nethi bangikaka phezulu kwezinki." Akusi order leyo. Kaka. Ikomisi sehlele eceleni. Sekunezimvuthu zamakuku laphansi. Now uyoputha endaweni wrong. Uyothola amakuku eminyango. Uyothola kuyanqola. Oh. They were eating but bayanqolisa. But if everything is dele etafuleni, yonke into ixoxwa kuphi? Etafuleni. Ubani obuthi egcineni? It's you. You are in control of what God gives you. You are in control of your blessings. You are in control. Their carelessness
Ukuncane kwabo nokuthi
will never lead you
angeke kuze ukuholele wena.
to where they are going.
Holele labo nabaya khona.
Mawufuna ukubamba unogwaja urigundwane nawungayo nje so. Lizohamba leza. It means you are following them.
Ukusho uthena ulandela bona.
Ngalezi mvuthu abayizeni abazishiyile. Ungolisile. Naka sophumile uphuma uyachanyela. Okay, subject for another day. Let's go. Read.
We were filled with laughter.
We are filled with laughter.
Sigcwaliswe ngokuhleka.
Filled with laughter.
Sigcwaliswe
Sibuye kunzimeni. Basagcwaliswa ngokuhleka. uNkulunkulu nakasibuyisa. That's how God answers his people.
Indlela uNkulunkulu aphendula ngayo abantu bakhe.
There's no room for argument.
Akunagumbi
There's no
lokubuza.
room to question.
Akunagumbi lokubuza.
It must be just laughing.
Fanele kube nje ukuhleka.
Nkosi ngabe ngiyaphupha na. Lokho kwenzeke njani? La ngifike njani? Awuphendulanga umuntu manje, uphendule uNkulunkulu. A lot of you niphendulwe ma boss na ma CV naphendulwe na ma family. That's why it's an ordinary blessing.
Ingakuyisibusiso nje esijwayelekile.
Call unto me.
Ngibizi.
I will show you great.
Ngizokhombisa umsebenzi emkhulu enamandla.
Things unknown, things unseen, meaning something you never thought about, something you never prayed about, but God giving you. Because your mind didn't interfere with the door. It's not the door that's got an issue. The issue is the person. Because God says, I've opened a door before. Akathi la ukhona, uthi la phambi kwakho. Uya njani kulo mnyango? Uya unemibuzo. Uzufika emnyango, uvule ubani lo mnyango lo? How did this happen?
Kwenzeke njani lokho?
Nguthole njani lo msebenzi? Okay, let's go. Let's go.
We were filled with laughter.
We were filled with laughter.
And we sang for joy.
And we sang for joy. Akuna argument, akuna phikisana noNkulunkulu, akuna question uNkulunkulu. Let's go.
And the other nations said, what amazing things the Lord has done for them.
Hey, who's answered? Who's answered? The other nations said, wow, what a great thing God has done for them. The moment God answers you, your enemies can see the door is open.